Hello, my name is Christian Angel, and today I will be showing you how to run a single elimination tournament. Now you're back in TD Administration Center, and you need to click on Administer Tournaments. On this page, you will find the tournament that you have created. Click on the number that you will find under ID hash. Now, make sure you change your seeding from rating to random. To do this, click on the little arrow found next to the word rating and select random. I have underlined it for you. Now click on change seeding. This is what the page will look like after you have clicked on change seeding. Now, click on return to administer tourney. Hashtag your tournament number will be here. Now, click on open check-in, but in a real tournament, you will need to open check-in the day before your tournament starts. This will allow players to join in your tournaments. As this is a fake tournament, you will have to add the players yourself too. This is the page that you will see after you clicked on open check-in. Now, click on return to administer tourney. Hashtag your tournament number will be here. Now, click on tournament main page, and just register the fake players. You will be able to find them on the tutorial page for this video. Now, once on your tournament page, you will just click on register. As you belong to a league already, you should know how to register for a tournament, and it isn't any different with a fake player. So register all 23 fake players that you find on step 7. Now, it's time to run your fake tournament, so you click on close registration. Once you have closed registration, you will see registration has closed, so you just click on return to administer tourney. Hashtag your tournament number will be here. Now, click on start tournament. Now, once you have clicked on start tournament, you will see pairings are up. I have underlined it for you. Now, click on return to administer tournament. Hashtag your tournament number will be here. Now, click on round 1 to get your pairs for that round. In a live tournament, you will tell the players who they are playing against in the room where your tournament is being held in. The players that are in red have got an automatic win, and the players that are in yellow need to play a game against their partner in the tournament. This is how you post a win. For example, let's say Ireland won against Russia. All you do is just click on the team called Ireland. Once you have clicked on Ireland, it will come up with Ireland is declared the winner at the top of the page. I have underlined it for you. Now, click on adjust round 1 results. Hashtag your tournament number will be here. Now, you can see that Ireland has changed from being yellow to red. Now, let's say Germany won against France. Just report it like you did for Ireland. Once all teams have been reported, you need to click on return to administer tourney. Hashtag your tournament number will be here. Please remember this. All losers are out of the tournament. Now, you're back in tourney administration. You will need to click on round 2. Now, you will need to give out round 2 pairs in the room that your tournament it is being played in. Keep on reporting, like the way explained for round 1. Once you see update TD stats file in tourney administration, you will know that you're at the closing part of your tournament, so you will need to go to how to close out of a single elimination tournament tutorial.